this brush set is one of my favorite tools that comes in the CEO kit. We just added it and I'm super excited about it because everything you need is here. It comes in white, pink, and black. And if you see here, it snaps together. So for those of us that travel a lot, it's perfect because you just close it and take it with you. Even when it's on your makeup counter, you can just close it, and this way your brushes don't become contaminated with dust. They're nicely sealed. These 6 brushes are all designed to be used for your eyes, for your eyeshadow application. And then we have these other 2 brushes that are used for your concealers, and also you could use them for any corrections that you need to make. Then we have this angled brush here that's used for your gel eyeliner, or for if you want to make a really definitive line on your eyes. And just note that it's a little twisted, okay? And it's intended to be that way to give you a better angle, a better reach. And we have this that's called a smudge brush. Okay, the smudge brush is for you to smudge your eyeshadows, get them to blend also underneath your eyes. I love to use it to apply lipstick. I use eyeshadows and I apply it around my lips. It works great. It works great to give you a nice line. And then this one is for your brows. The angled brush is for your brows. And the other part of the kit are these other 4 brushes, which of course we have your kabuki brush here, which is for all of your foundations. This more fluffy brush here with the white and the black. This one is intended for all of your loose powders, like your finishing powder, your angel face. You have this angled brush that you could use for your bronzers and your blushes and your enhancers. And then you have this fan brush that is great for that light touch for any highlighting that you would like to do in your face. So make sure you grab these brushes. They are super important. The brush does matter. Your coverage will increase and your pigmentation will drop better with our Youngevity brushes.